Hello everyone, if you're getting this error when you're trying to browse the internet, this site can't be reached, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error on your computer. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser and you're going to write here view network connections, and then you're going to click onto your network. You're going to click onto change settings of this connection. You're going to go into Internet Protocol version 4, go into properties here, click use the following DNS server addresses. You're going to write here 1.1.1.1 and then you're going to write here 1.0.0.1 and then click OK as well, and then just disable your internet and wait for 15 to 20 seconds. And after that, you're going to go ahead and enable your internet again and just wait for your internet to connect. It can take a minute or two. And once it's done connecting, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser. And now when you try to go on to any website, you'll see that your internet will work correctly now. As you can see, I'm not getting this site can't be reached anymore error. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.